Understanding Gale Force Winds, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, gale force winds. This is a term you might encounter in weather forecasts or adventurous stories. If you're curious about what it means and how you can use it in your English conversations, you're in the right place. Let's set sail into the world of weather vocabulary. The term, gale force winds, refers to very strong and fast winds. Specifically, it's used to describe wind speeds on the Beaufort scale ranging from 34 to 40 knots. This phrase paints a picture of powerful winds that can significantly affect the environment, like bending trees and making it challenging to walk against the wind. It's often associated with storms or severe weather conditions. The phrase originates from the Beaufort wind scale, named after Sir Francis Beaufort. This scale helps sailors and meteorologists describe wind speed without using precise measurements. Gale force winds are categorized in the scale's range of 7 to 10, indicating strong to whole gales. It's commonly used in weather forecasts to warn people about potential hazards and in everyday conversation to describe windy conditions vividly. To help you understand how to use gale force winds in context, here are some example sentences. 1. The weather report warned of gale force winds approaching the coast. 2. During the storm, gale force winds uprooted trees and caused power outages. 3. The sailors prepared their ship to withstand the night's gale force winds. Understanding synonyms and related terms can enrich your vocabulary. Here are some words and phrases related to gale force winds. Strong gusts refers to sudden, powerful bursts of wind. High winds, a general term for winds that are stronger than usual. Stormy weather describes weather with strong winds, often accompanied by rain or other precipitation. Congratulations, you've just expanded your English vocabulary with the phrase, gale force winds. This term is not just about weather. It's a vivid way to describe strong forces or intense situations. We hope this video has been enlightening and enjoyable. Stay curious, and keep exploring the fascinating world of the English language. See you in the next video.